So for this problem, to find the first derivative of y equals sine to the power 4x times cosine to the power 4x. So since we can rewrite this given as y then equals sine x cosine x, then quantity to the power 4. Then using now this identity that sine a cosine a, so this is equal to 1/2 sine 2a. So therefore, this function becomes, so for sine x cosine x, this is equal to 1/2 sine 2x, then quantity to the power 4. Then we can simplify. So this becomes 1/2 quantity to the power 4 then times sine 2x quantity to the power 4. And this becomes y then equals, so this 1/2 to the power 4, this is 1/16. So we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, then times sine 2x, then quantity to the power 4. Then this time we can find now the derivative. So for this constant, so just bring down 1/16 then times for the derivative of sine quantity to the power 4. So using the general power rule, so that u to the power n, so to find the derivative, so this is equal to n times u to the power n minus 1 times the derivative of u. So from this formula, so we have n is the exponent, then times u is sine 2x. Then we have n minus 1 or 4 minus 1, so to the power 3, then times the derivative of u or the derivative of sine. So since the derivative of sine is cosine, so this is cosine 2x then times the derivative of 2x, so this is 2. Then to simplify, so we have y prime equals 1/16. Then this becomes 4. Then sine to the power 3, 2x. Then times, so this is 2 cosine 2x. Then this becomes y prime equals 1/16. So multiply this 4 to 2. So this becomes 8. Then we have sine to the power 3, 2x. Then cosine 2x. Then we have y prime equals, so this 1 times 8. So this is 8/16. Then sine to the power 3, 2x. Cosine 2x. So we have y prime equals 8/16. This is 1/2. Then sine to the power 3, 2x. Then cosine 2x.